Hey guys, Tyler from Patrolapart here with an exciting product update. Today we're going to be deep diving into our updated GQ Patrol bonnet strut kit. So late last year we released our GQ bonnet strut kit and we sold hundreds of these. We also had hundreds of questions asking if they would fit bonnet entry snorkels. It's led us to do a bit of thinking and see if we could redesign this whole kit. We were successful. We went back to the drawing board with a fresh set of eyes and just see how else could we do this kit. It's brought us to this where we now supply a kit with only 2 brackets and 2 shorter struts instead of the 4 brackets with the 2 longer struts. This ultimately is less components and it's brought the price down for us, which we can then pass on to you guys and make the product cheaper. There's so many different bonnet entry snorkels out there on the market. This kit will fit all of them as long as you don't have a modified bonnet hinge. We're so confident that we'll give you your money back. This product update has come about thanks to our customers' feedback and we really rely on it. If you have any other products that you'd like us to deep dive into, jump into the comments below. And remember, if you need any parts for your patrol, head over to patrolapart.com.au.